Good evening, everyone. This is Vindhya from third year and Roshni from first year hosting today's Friendship Day event. We welcome Sudhya ma'am, all the faculties, and our batchmates after a long break to the first event of the year 2021 by the new council body. We would also like to welcome the new council Senate 2021-22 and also appreciate everyone for successfully completing one whole year of academics online. We all have made many friends throughout our journey in the college. The event Mute Kar Mic Chalu Hai Divas has successfully seen many entries from all the houses, with students from every year and faculties enthusiastically participating, thereby promoting the interaction which is merely needed in these hard times. कहा जाता है दोस्ती नाम है सुख दुख की कहानी का दोस्ती राज है सदा ही मुस्कुराने का ये कोई पल भर जान पहचान का नहीं दोस्ती वादा है उम्र भर साथ निभाने का. The event is scheduled with showing all the awe-striking entries with some questions in between, followed by announcing the winners. On this note, let's start the event. So, for the first, we have a beautiful depiction of the famous Friends series poster with the group members with giving a touch of architecture shown. So let's see how many of you can know who is the character Tushara ma'am playing in this poster. Can anyone answer?
Monica.
Yeah, great. The second one, we can see a perfect bingo done by the students and Neha ma'am, with a beautiful quote mentioned in the end which says, "A sweet friendship refreshes the soul." Wow. The next one, we can see a poster from the famous Marvel series of Defenders saying, "Two friends will defend behind your back." So true it is. Now comes the question. Tell who Roshni is playing as a character. Can anyone guess?
Jean Grey.
No.
Mistake.
No. रोशनी तो ही बता दे.
All right, it's Raven.
Raven is Mystique, right?
Yeah, the character name.
Great. So moving to the next one. Here is a beautiful quote with a depiction of group members in the Friends. Friendship is a peculiar seed. No matter the season, the weather, nor the time of the day. When planted on nourishing soil, it will always bear the fruit. What a great quote. Moving, the next one is a perfect depiction of the scenario of what had happened in every group during this Friendship Day event. कौन किससे बात करेगा? आइडिया क्या है? अरे मेरे सबमिशंस है यार, काम जल्दी करते हैं and so on. Moving to the next one, where we can see friendship कोई जगह से सीमित नहीं है. It can happen from everywhere and at any time. With a beautiful quote mentioning, "Whenever the world is taken over by darkness, our friendship will bring us light." This is so true for the current situation. The next one is for all the RG students from every class, and it is a perfect depiction for them, calling them कि भाई उठ जा attendance हो रहा है या उठ जा मैम बुला रही है. This is a perfect scenario that happens in every class every day. Moving on. Next we can see a beautiful poem written by the students named यारी दोस्तों की होती है कितनी प्यारी. कितने खुश नसीब होते हैं वह लोग जिनके पास होती है जिनके पास होते हैं दोस्तों. यारी दोस्तों की होती है कितनी प्यारी. दुश्मनों पर पड़ जाती है भारी. दोस्ती है हमारी बहुत न्यारी. यारी दोस्तों की होती है कितनी प्यारी। जब भी हो कोई मुसीबत सर पर, दोस्त उड़ा देता है उसको पतंग बना। हमेशा सलामत रहे ये दोस्ती, यही है दुआ हमारी। यारी दोस्तों यारी दोस्तों की होती है कितनी प्यारी। वाओ। Up
Wow,
next we have up next we have another poem. Vibing together or shining apart. Friendship is more to be measured by the heart. Here is a group rising above. We'll take you to each and tell you how. She is a beauty with brain mixture and any makeup brand we can name after her. This is our bubbly charm, a spicy sweet. She is like a dessert in our relishing treat. Here comes a twisty tang in the bland. Here, her ever jolly mood makes everything grand. Listening to our gossip playlist on shuffle, she is our overpriced chocolate raffle. We'll always have each other in the special dial list and worthy memories to be forever cherished. That's how deep our loving bond is, more than just sharing virgin mojito. Up next, Up next, we can see the group of students showing their bachpan ke pyar and some beautiful memories from the college life, stating, "Stick with people who pull out magic and not madness out of you." What a great quote! Moving on, next we can see a beautiful portrait created having everyone's beautiful faces seen along with a quote on friendship, which says, "The language of friendship is not words but meanings." Next, मस्ती करना जिंदगी में जरूरी है. Similarly, the next one is a fun-filled meme, which is how when a lecturer asks a techie student about how to boost the volume, he instead tells how to lead the class. Next, the next one is how friends support each other whenever in need, both maybe in online and offline platforms through a beautiful sketch.
with other things, the pandemic has taught us the value of friendship. Next up is a portrait of digital art depicting how we connect with our friends online. Online is just a medium, two friends are connected by heart. Wow. Since childhood, Shin-chan and his friends sure had a great impact on all of us. Next up is an edit of the team with the characters of the famous cartoon known for their friendship, enthusiasm, and fun. Anything is possible with our friends around. Here is a quick quiz for you all. Name all the characters on the slide in the comment section.
Or anyone can just speak up.
Yeah, anyone?
Shingshan, Shingshan, Shingshan.
And all the 5 characters.
I guess she is Nani, right?
Yes.
Kazama,
Mm-hmm. Right.
Isav and Bo.
correct. And there's Masao, obviously. Yeah, correct.
Great, great. Studying and teaching online sure has been a difficult task for all of us. Although having our seniors and friends around has made this path a less tacky. And of course, the efforts of our faculty. Here is a depiction of the same scenario through comic art. Wow, great. We all have been in a thrilling moment of mixed emotions when we accidentally leave our mic open. Here, such a scenario is depicted through the famous meme template. Me, while mom yelling at me during online class, also me when I realized my mic was on. Oh, it's such a thrilling moment. I really appreciate all the kinds of ideas and creativity we are witnessing today. We all have songs that touch our heart in different ways. Next up is an audio video edit of a famous song which holds good for unbreakable friendships.
Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella.
Quiz time. Name the title of the song.
Any guesses, guys?
Umbrella.
Yeah, superb, right. So, surely it's hard to stay motivated all the time. Here is a video showing a part of architecture life. I'm sure all of us would relate to it.
ना ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
Hilarious.
Great job, guys.
Next up is a video showing various kinds of personality we meet online like we did in our college.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Ooh. Cool shake stunner, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, making you sweat like that. Break that.
Wow, beautiful edit. Can anyone name the boy band and the title of this famous song in the audio video?
BTS, and the song is Butter.
Wow, great.
Great.
So we all have our favorite songs and movies, actors and actresses, etc., right? So here's a compilation of the teammates' favorite dialogues from the famous sitcom Friends.
Right in there.
How you doing?
Okay, no uterus, no opinion.
Hilarious. So what is your favorite movie dialogue on friendship? Anyone? My favorite dialogue. So here's my favorite dialogue from the famous ये जवानी है दीवानी movie. कुछ लोगों के साथ रहने से ही सब ठीक हो जाता है. Right? Our friends surely their presence gives us a great impact
True.
during our problems. So next up is a comedy video, stealing moments to add laughter.
अरे यार ये सर कितना टाइम। अरे सर गए अबे ये लग गए सर। मैं तो सो रही हूँ यार। सर कुछ करो ना, कुछ तो करना यार। क्या कुछ करना। अच्छा ठीक है करना।
Listen to me now.
Okay students, good morning
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Good morning sir. Am I visible student? Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Today, let's take attendance. Okay? Yes, sir. Okay, Papa. Who is this? Sarah. Unauthorized student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Present, sir. Angel. Present, sir. What? Bindia? Yes, sir. Angel? Both are same? No, sir. Both are same. You are giving 2 attendance, girl. What are you doing, girl? Sorry, sir. Get out. Get out from my class. Okay. Get out. No, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Next attendance. Just ignore. Marlene. Yes, sir. Marlene. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, this boy. Sir, Marlene. Who is this new boy? Sir, Marlene.
That's Merlin.
What happened to you, Marlene?
The lockdown happened and she's
Side
home.
effects of lockdown. Oh my God. Please shut up. You and I both look alike, Marlene. Yes, sir. Sir, we're finished, sir. Okay, okay. God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. Okay. You have done with attendance?
So, yeah. Can I drink water?
Ask me one more time. What is this?
Can I drink water?
What? Where are you sitting? You are asking me. You are at your home. You do whatever you want, my girl. Why are you asking me? You do what? What is she doing?
Drinking water, sir. You want some?
Shut up. Is this the way to behave? Hello, Sarah. Hello, sir.
Sorry, students. I lost my
camera off, camera.
It's talking like this.
Go.
What is going on?
Very well, guys, very well. This was the most hilarious and creative entry of the event. I love how this event helped us to take one step further in building our bond among the students as well as with our faculty. Next slide. We really appreciate everyone for showing enthusiasm and participation. We did receive a good number of entries. Here's the scoreboard. So we are thrilled to announce the leading house, that is Centaur. Congratulations, Centaur.
Thank you.
With this, the event comes to an end. Thank you, Dr. Sudhnya ma'am and the faculty of PICA for your time and contribution. Thank you to all the students and the council body. This event sure helped us all to broaden our circle and team spirit. Thank you all for providing and being a part of such a platform. I'm happy to say that together we made this event successful.